How to lock your laptop with password. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to your Start menu. Then, go to Settings. After that, go to Accounts. Now, scroll down and then go to Sign In options. Now, go to Password. After that, tap on Change. Now enter your current password and then enter your new password. Confirm changing your new password and done. That's how you do it. There are other several options like fingerprint recognition, security key, PIN. These are the options that are set up as per your device feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.